Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about median. So median is nothing but the middle value in the given data. So in individual series we'll see and 14, 18, 19, 22, 25, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 35. So this is the data relating to individual series. So here we have 10 observation. N is nothing but the 10. So median formula for individual series is n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is the number of observation, that is 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 2 will get 11 divided by 2. So 11 divided by 2 you will get 5.5 value. So remember, in median if you will get the 5.5, so you have to take 5th value plus 6th value. And for example you will get 6.7 means 6th value plus 7th value. You have to increase the value. So we got here 5.5. So now you have to take size of 5th item plus size of 6th item divided by 2. Here the 5th item. So we have to check in the given data. 5th value is 25 and the 6th value is 26 divided by 2. So 25 plus 26 will get 51 divided by 2, you will get 25.5. So 25.5 is the median value. And next one is, so we have to arrange the data in the median. So and then apply the formula. The same formula, n plus 1 by 2. Here we have n is number of observation is 14. So 14 plus 1 by 2 you will get 15. 15 divided by 2 you will get 7.5. So we got 7.5. So in median you have to increase the value, that is size of 7th item plus size of 8th item divided by 2. Here the 7th value in the given data is 63 and the 8th value in the given data 64 and divided by 2. You will get 63.5 is the median. And lower quartile and upper quartile. So in this problem we have to find out lower and upper quartile. And lower quartile is denoted as Q1 and upper quartile is denoted as Q3. And formula for Q1 is n plus 1 divided by 4. Here n value is 14. 14 plus 1 divided by 4. So 15. 15 divided by 4 you will get 3.75. So here also in quartiles you have to increase the data. If we get 3, we have to take 4 minus 3. If we get like that, we have to increase. If we get 4 means 5 minus 4. So here we got 3.75. So we have to take size of 4th value minus size of 3rd value. Here the 4th value is 61 plus, so we got 3.75. So you have to carry here 0.75 and the size of 3rd value. So 3rd value is 61. So here 61 plus 0.75 and 62 minus 61 you will get 1. So 61 plus 0.75 you will get 61.75 into 1 same 61.75. So upper quartile, and formula for upper quartile is 3n plus 1 by 4. So n value is 14 plus 1 divided by 4, you will get 3.75 into 3, you will get 11.25. So we got 11th value. So you have to take size of 12 minus size of 11th item. Your 12th value is 64. We have to carry the 0.25. Next one, and 65 minus 64, 11th value. So 64 plus 0.25 into 1, 64.25. Sorry, 0.25 into 1 and plus 64, you will get 64.25 value. And next one, decile and percentile. So the data is 11, 12, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 32, 35 and 41. So in the question, if maybe the decile and percentile value changes in the examination. If you get D8, you have to take 8. If you got D10, and you have to take 10. Same for percentile also. Percentile 61 or percentile 88, the value will be changed. So in GCL D8, and the formula is same. If you get 8, you have to take the 8 value. 8 n plus 1 divided by 10. So you have to calculate the same method for decile and percentile. Now we'll see median in discrete series. So here in discrete series, same x value will be given, frequency value will be given. You have to calculate, and you have to find out cumulative frequency. And the first value in the frequency is 26. You have to write the same value. Next 26 plus 34, you will get 60. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 36, 136. 136 plus 30, 166. And 166 plus 16, you will get 182. And the frequency total is 182. And you have to apply the formula. So median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Here the n value is the total of the frequency value, that is 182 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get 91.5. So this 91.5 is located in the cumulative frequency 100. So the x value is the median. So the x value is 230. So the median value is 230. This is all about lower quartile, upper quartile, and the median in both individual and discrete series. Tomorrow we will see median in continuous series. Today you have to do all the problems in the textbook, individual series and discrete series. Thank you.